from the Roddenberry Memorial Library, and we are going to do another 5-minute experiment. As you can see, we are outside because the experiment we're doing today can get pretty messy. We are going to be doing an exploding lunch bag. All right, so here's the materials that you need. You need vinegar, baking soda, tissue, paper towel, coffee filter, just a thin, something that will dissolve. All right, you need your Ziploc bags, and you need some pretty warm water. Not super hot, but it does need to be pretty warm. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, you should use measuring cups for this. All right, first thing we wanna do is take our warm water, and we're gonna do about 1/4 warm water. Seems about right. All right, now next you're going to do 1/2 cup of your vinegar. All right, that in there. There we go. Let's add a little bit more vinegar. I don't think that was 1/2 cup. All right, now if you want to make your explosion super cool, this is an optional thing, but you can add some food coloring in there. That's just going to kind of color the water and the vinegar so that you can see what's happening a little bit better. There we go. Now, we're going to put this over here for a second, set it down, put it to the side. We don't want it to fall. All right. So next you're going to take your baking soda. Take a piece of tissue, like the one I've got here. All right. You're going to use about 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and just put it in the middle of your tissue or coffee filter or paper towel. We're going to wrap it up like this, twist it, wrap it around, get it so that it's in there really good. All right, now you have to be super fast at this, okay? You have to be super fast right here. We're going to drop it in, and you've got to seal it up. You've got to close that Ziploc bag up fast. And you might want to ask a grown-up to help you with this part because you got to be super fast. You got to get it closed before the tissue paper dissolves. All right, are we ready? Can everybody see me? Here we go. Give it a good shake. All right. And that is an exploding lunch bag. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to try this experiment at home, here are some things that I want you to do. What happens if you use a bigger bag? What happens if you use a smaller bag? We kind of use these here to do our experiment. All right, so let me know what happened. Do you see there's a little bit of the clump of the baking soda here? So what happens is that the reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar is an acid-base reaction, and it creates gas. The gas that it creates is carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out. We breathe in oxygen, we breathe out carbon dioxide. But the thing about gas is it needs lots of room to expand. So when the vinegar and the baking soda mix together, it creates that gas, and the gas starts expanding and blowing the bag up, and then it just goes pop, and it just blows the bag right up. All right, so here's what I want you to do at home. I want you to let me know which size bag creates the biggest or fastest pop. Smaller bags, bigger bags. Let me know if which baking soda creates the best reaction. Did the brand that I used work good, or do you have a different brand that works better? Does a different temperatured water change how it reacts? What if you used cold water instead of hot water? Let me know. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed our exploding bag experiment. Let us know how you did, if yours worked or not, and we'll see you next time.